Hi everyone! I just wanted to make a quick video about this workshop we've got coming up on the 23rd of January, which is about how to apply machine learning and AI to increase the resolution of satellite imagery, and specifically in respect to the urban heat island. And now it's going to be really fun because what we'll be doing is getting thermal imagery of the land surface area from NASA JPL's EcoStress data, and we'll be combining it with the Landsat 8 data of albedo, which is how dark or light something is, as well as foliage. And when we put these three data sets together, what we can do is chop up the pixels in the image and interpolate to a finer granular level of detail to get these really beautiful high resolution images where you can actually see and pinpoint individual properties to see which ones we can actually target for urban greening and urban cooling projects. And it's really fun because when you look at these images, you can see specific car parks or stadiums or roads that get really hot, like maybe even 10 or 20 degrees hotter than parks or natural areas around them. And so sign up to the workshop at the link. Glenn Hulley, who's an expert in this from NASA JPL, helping us, taking us through the workshop. And what we'll be doing is building a map of the world's urban heat islands. You'll be able to be part of the project, and it's a really big deal because with climate change, urban centers are getting hotter than ever. So it'll be technical, you'll have to code, but even if you can't program, still join in, see if you can follow along, and I'll hope to see you there.